How to get unbanned from Facebook Marketplace. Whether it's due to a policy violation, an accidental report, or something else, getting banned can be frustrating when you rely on Marketplace to buy or sell items. In this guide, I'll show you these steps to get unbanned from Facebook Marketplace and regain access to your account. Let's dive in. Start by understanding why you were banned. Facebook usually provides a reason in a notification or an email explaining why your access to Marketplace was restricted. Common reasons include policy violation, spamming, or spelling prohibited items. Familiarize yourself with Facebook Marketplace policies and community standards. Knowing the rules helps you identify what might have gone wrong and how to avoid future violations. If you believe your ban was a mistake, you can appeal it through the Facebook Help Center. For that, head towards the menu page. Now scroll down and navigate to the option of Help and Support. Click on the option Report a Problem. Click on Continue to Report. Now click on Don't Include. From here, select the Feature Marketplace. And over here, you have to explain about the issue. You can explain in the detailed way that your Facebook Marketplace has been banned even though you haven't violated any guidelines. With that, Facebook support team will get back to you within 24 hours. You can have the conversation with it, and with that, your problem will be resolved. And that's how you can get unbanned from Facebook Marketplace. By following these steps and understanding Facebook's policy, you can improve your chances of regaining access. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.